What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video, let me show it to you, I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that NIO found very good support from the range of about $20.12, and I've told you that we hit with this small wick the range of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly $19.5, and it is the Fibonacci retracement range if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but 1 wave on a greater scale. And this was the first accumulation point, but my main assumption was that we should land a bit lower. And the most important range, in my opinion, was the 0.5 at roughly $18, and it is the confluence in between several levels. First of all, it is 0.5, then round number of roughly $18, and the range of support/resistance from previous price action. And from this level, a lot of algo trades might start to accumulate their long position with the price target of negative 0.236 at the price point of roughly $27.27. And it implies about 50% of upside potential, but we didn't hit this range yet. And we found the support line at the price point of roughly $19, a bit lower than $19, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next with this massive rejection from this range of resistance. So what was the reason of this price action? And I have to say that basically we are moving sideways for about 1 month. And the lack of major news might be not so favorable for investors, but all in all, everything will resolve itself. And what was the reason of this recent movement to the downside? First of all, let me show you this article that was published on August 16th on Monthly Fool, and it's titled "Why NIO Shares Dropped Tuesday?" And the key points are following. A competitor just announced a disappointing third quarter outlook that new investors might fear will be repeated when it releases earnings. Second one, Chinese authorities cut interest rates Monday after disappointing economic data. And NIO continues to expand its deliveries into Europe. So, first two key points are not the direct catalysts for NIO, but as you can see, it affects the price of NIO in a negative manner. And let me show you some details. NIO released its second quarter deliveries, and they have an increase for about 63% year over year, but they didn't offer a promising third quarter outlook. And because of these expectations, definitely its shares went lower, and the entire EV industry also went lower. On top of that, China's economy is also possibly showing the consequences of several off and on shutdowns with its zero COVID policy. Authorities cut interest rates Monday after July data showed economic activity is slowing across the board in the country. The disappointing data include factory output as well as consumer spending and real estate. And definitely the total sentiment of the market is not so good for EV manufacturers, but all in all, I have to say that it is just a temporary movement. And let me show you right here another news that is directly related to NIO. We are on electricvehicles.com, and this article was published on August 17th. And it is the data of the sales of EV automakers in China. And NIO, as you can see, on the 8th place with about 4,102 vehicles sold. It is not the vehicles delivered, it is not the vehicle produced, it is just sales of the vehicles. And as you can see, on the first place we have BYD that sold about 62.091 thousand vehicles. Tesla is on the second place with more than 13.8 thousand vehicles. And I have to say that from 6th to 10th place we have 5 manufacturers that are very close one to another. And why this number is quite disappointing? Let me show you this data. In the first week of August, NIO sold 2.2 thousand vehicles, representing a 14% decrease year over year and a drop of 24% when compared to the previous week. And definitely this movement to the downside of their sales is not so good in terms of its fundamentals, but all in all, we have to know more about the reason of this decrease. And let me show you another news. Right here we can see that NIO officially entered the German market on October the 7th. And definitely the second country where NIO will sell their vehicles and the biggest European market for the entire car manufacturer industry is very important for NIO. And definitely this news might increase its fundamentals with very good sales numbers. On top of that, let me show you that from the fundamental standpoint we have another very good sign that Goldman Sachs group increased its long position. As you can see, they increased its long position by 20.5%, and for now they own about $644.5 million in value in NIO. And as you can see right here, they also increased their call and put position, but this is nothing else but a hedging its long position, because it reduces their downside potential and increases their upside potential. And I don't want to dive deep into these numbers. Felix from Felix and Friends YouTube channel explains perfectly well this position. All in all, I have to say that this increasing in long position of Goldman Sachs groups shows the potential, the medium and long-term potential for NIO. On top of that, let me show you another major catalyst that might drive the price not only for NIO, but for entire EV industry in China. And on August 19th, we have this article on cnevpost.com, and it's titled "China to extend an EV purchase tax exemption to end of 2023." And let me quote to this. China will extend the policy of NEV purchase tax exemption until the end of 2023, mentioned the State Council executive meeting hosted by Premier Li Keqiang today, according to CCTV report. And definitely this tax exemption is very favorable for all EV manufacturers, and it shows the official policy of the Chinese government to increase the EV sales, EV auto sales. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As you can see, we have very good touch of this range of resistance, and this line was drawn by me, I guess, about a month ago. And let me show you what is this line about. If I zoom out on a daily time frame, I connected all these tops, and let me show to you that this line shows the range of resistance, and when this range of resistance will be broken by the price, it will be a major sign for the price action and for the investors to enter their long position. On top of that, let me show you that from its lowest point on May 13th at the price point of roughly $11.59, it went higher and reached about $24.41, and for now we are in the retracement mode, and definitely this retracement should increase its power to hit higher targets in a matter of next couple of months. So, and let's continue in the hourly time frame. What should we expect next? In my opinion, we still have the 0.5 level as one of the major ranges of support from which we might have a trend reversal. And definitely we have two crucial points. For now it is this range of support, and I think it might hold. And another, in my opinion, the most important range of resistance is this one, this sloping line. When the price breaks this range of resistance and probably retest it from the top, and with the conviction of volume, it will move higher. Definitely it will show that probably we are on the next movement to the upside that might hit much higher targets. For now, we have to wait until we will see some kind of breakout above the range of resistance or below the range of support. And depending on this price action, I will do another update in order to show you what should we expect next. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.